The first now. They're waiting for us now. Jesus!
Pew.
Baby, where are you going to?
What's going on here?
Hey! It gets my tongue. You people want to split the game. You people should leave my house. Leave my house.
What's up, my people? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Believe me when I tell you, you're about to witness the best of comedy reaction. So all you have to do for me right now is to make sure to be a part of my channel by subscribing. Drop nice comments while watching, and please share this video. Without saying much, guys, let's go have some fun. She breaks up with me because we run crossroads.
What's this? Look at the way your man is crossing like village man. People don't even have this conversation. Now, wow.
Oh, please, don't even try to hug me. Can't you see the way you are crossing the road like a village man? Can't you see your fellow guy that is crossing the road with teeth? You without teeth? In fact, I'm done. I can't date a guy that cross road without teeth. Zero composure, nothing. Baby, I beg, let's go, Joe.
Because they run crossroads.
Other people, babe, they break up with them because they don't get money. My own, they break up with me because I run crossroad. Then they crossroad with this.
What kind of nonsense with that one?
Let's watch this.
What's going on here?
That's not okay. I don't know. When I get I'm going to sit. I will show.
This guy didn't mean it.
I will go to the I got it.
You go watch out too.
Me, I like fine girls who fine girls like Alastair.
You get it?
The next time they look Nash. The next time they look Nash. This guy's a man.
I've told you. I cannot do that container for 250 million naira. Come on, don't live here. Say, listen to me. I can't do it. Bye-bye. It's yours.
Hello, baby.
Oh, baby. Why 74 million for that your Range Rover now? I'm coming over soon, okay? Baby, I said I love you.
Baby, I love you more.
No, I love you.
Not Snake, oh. Snake don't bite her.
Chief, what's happening? Snake just bite. Snake, Chief, Snake, oh.
Hello, Nasty, how are you?
Snake don't bite Chief. Snake! I said Snake don't bite Chief.
No, hold on, we are coming. Move.
You don't tell him where on that day now.
Chief, help is on the way. Chief, help is on the way.
Tie him now, tie the place.
Hello?
There's a problem. I'm in traffic.
Traffic? What you make I do now?
Where did the snake bite you?
Chief, Abi, where the snake bite you?
Oh my God! Oh Nash!
For Nyash!
Grab that nyash and suck out the venom.
I love you, sucker.
Nasty, you have to suck that nyash.
Please don't let me die.
Make sure you inhale. And don't say, that is the son of Obi Kubana.
And I'm a son of nobody, but if you suck my Nyash, make me suck my Nyash. And if you do it, I'll give you $1 million.
I be hustling. $1 million. I get fuck on someone and got no best of.
Current rate is now 1.5 billion naira.
What a wonderful day.
You go, son. Hey, don't go buy beds. You don't so can go buy beds.
Excuse me, sir, what's your advice for the youths that are still struggling to make it in life?
Well, I know that life sucks, but you just have to suck it.
It don't take time to drop lamp for them. So which means that I only want that money. You understand?
Farouk, what's they worry you? You know this Bobo no they see they carry give him. If you don't think you can't have to give him. You're not doing anything to this Bobo.
Okay, now you know. Even him when they talk, say, yeah, they big guy. Not big guy, you say, him, they big. All of us don't pour finish.
Hey! You know they see again. Never don't carry lights. Never don't carry lights. You know they see again.
Ashawo, awusha, awusha, ashawo, ashawo, awusha, boom, boom. Hey, hello.
Madam, I beg, I no fit. I want to go. Check the next bus stop.
Madam, avoid me, oh.
Hi, cutie, please.
Madam, I know they do both to bone.
Guy, all of us are reject customer now. That's the reason why we just treat with this.
Ekeze, I beg come tell your experience about lanky girls.
Baba, lanky girls like this, they knock waiting no good. The last lanky girl will carry me. When he knocked me, Baba High told me, money when the girl pay me not to take care of myself before I fall back to the street. Man, you're wising up.
Now what for now? Which kind of lazy people are they follow up for this junction?
Yeah, what about you? Yes, you.
Customer, how you be now?
Since daybreak.
Oh yeah, now you give me 100k.
100k. It's fine, no problem. Get into the car.
Mommy,
You fit me 150k.
It's fine.
Sorry, where would they go? Na house or na hotel?
My house.
Oh yeah, now just give me 200k.
Don't worry, I'll give you the money.
Hop
in, let's go.
Hey, shut down.
Biko yemego.
Who the Zuzu?
This is how this guys no talk. They go.
Life is all about money.
The woman go wound you. You should say you get strength.
Don't worry, they go send you.
Nah, no.
Follow me, go inside. Where you they go? Babe, you leave her now. What's happen? No mind this useless boy. Since last night, now I carry this ashawo. In they come, me no come. How come? Come inside. Me go make me come.
No, don't run. You don't see what you pass on.
Stop!
This boy.
Nduka, Mr. Life. What you have?
Who play?
Rema!
She's in a play.
My boss! Boss, I know ya, boss.
Rema.
Boss, I beg no verse. Come, you dey mad? You dey crazy? Why we dey fight Rema? I beg Rema, what is up when I come to fight now? Papa, see this guy, yo.
Let's have it.
I thought I want to do my homecoming. I said I need crowd to full the stadium.
Let's have it.
I think I'm as a man and the same time be event planner. I said, okay, how much you go take it to mobilize people to full the stadium because I want my homecoming to be loud. After much argument, we'll end for 300k. Now I don't come back for my homecoming. Nobody's here to welcome me home. Which kind of sense to be this one now? Bros, what's happening now?
Baba, listen to me, oh. Person they update you date. No me say don't give you update. I say Rema 2 accounts. One na my answer, one na industry account. Rema go send money for some man account. Now the account collect 30%. Not be my regular do na so the answer day. Baba, crowd day now you know the same. Rema, calm down.
Bros, follow me, look. They see anybody here? They see anybody here?
Baba, I want me say they see 30% for there.
Rema, I see one guy there.
What kind of shit is there?
Who's getting this one? How did you pay for?
30%.
Hey, come on, wait. Where they go?
I just want to take a picture with him.
Which picture? You need to tell me something. Take it easy on the ladies. Don't treat the lady like that.
Man go come now, you go kick him.
For hotel this evening, I'll give you 2k.
Thank you.
But bros, I see be like this now. How good?
Rema, get looks in album he drop. You don't send a single for knock single blow. You know what the last? You get one of my guy will be bad video editor.
Let's have it.
Even 50 cent last show na he run now. Rema, all you need to do now to perform. See this stage. We go use editing background for green screen. Just perform.
Rema, you don't hear talk. Even say people go free here now. Just calm down. Perform.
You say call as a man, they call as a man come in, they complain. Rema, perform.
Say more give us space.
You don't start performance with that though.
For this my career, nobody believe me.
They don't believe. Why they don't believe?
They don't believe me. They not trust in me. I don't know why. Until you clear them for eye. Sing with me, everybody. I will never forget it. But they let them cast us away. Fast forward to today. Every day in a holiday. Every day in a holiday.
We gonna kick you, eh? Man. This studio will not get sense. These people don't get sense. That's what you want to
You will not
tell me.
find. I don't give you that kind of money. That kind of big amount. See this one not getting here. So you try that. Oh, now this is going to see for you. It's just the time me I come pay money. 150K for getting not getting here. I dey crazy. But Bekus. Guy, now this is be for Lagos. This is why I come and never kiss and never nag. The one way not getting here, go tell you say 150K. The one way do PPA, go tell you 450K. I be there. Guy, see, do I do like this? Be like that today. 4 babes they come from Benin.
For this Lagos, what would they knock free? Knock anyhow. Not free would they do for Lagos now? You didn't wine.
Don't give me update. I swear to God, because you won't kill me, I beg. Just like that.
Watch this.
I swear. Who the check? Who the check?
Carry your body, your ten. Man, wanna kiss a caress, yeah. The way you move, no feel like you be different. Me need to know where you're from, girl. Ooh, something must be fishy. Why everything about you, little.
I picked deer. I dare him to pick any girl, kiss her, and take her to the room and knock her for 10 minutes.
Let's go, my God!
Who the check?
Who the check?
The first now. They're waiting for us now. Jesus!
You?
Baby, where are you going to?
Tata, what do you want to do? What's going on here?
Hey! It gets my two. You people want to spoil the game. You people should leave my house! Leave my house! But you have a don't kiss now. Don't come use your own spoiler.
Hey!
And I'm wet, oh.
Hey! Hey! Which one be this Kataepe?
Babe, are you sure you're not cheating on me?
No, you're the apple of my eye. I cannot cheat on you.
But the notifications you get lately are just too much. Who are they?
Oh, they're my business people.
Okay! You have to have capacity. Hey!
I'll take and check it.
Wait, don't worry. I feel sleepy already.
What?
Good night, baby.
Women.
You don't check the password.
He gets as a bit.
You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Later that night.
You don't check the password.
Babe.
Let's have it.
Jesus!
You need to be careful. Women are very desperate. Women are very wicked.
Masigloa, what's the problem? My mouth cannot say this. Igwe. Hey! I do it, man.
Mazi Glover said, in this 2040, this young man does not smoke canna.
Hey!
2040.
Are you sure this young man is from our lineage? Okay, Igwe, let's forgive him. Maybe he takes squishes and CSP. Yes. Igwe, he does not take anything. He's a non-alcoholic. This young man must be punished. Yes. For this thing he has done, we must appease the gods and cleanse the land.
Because she does not
need a virgin
in 2040.
Igwe,
must everybody
the
smoke?
last time we saw a virgin in our land was in 2002. Hey!
We are doomed.
Now, doom. They are still virgins. And they are guys who don't smoke, they don't drink. And they don't womanize, just like myself.
Hey, father. Mama, sent. I don't verse, I don't know say they are father. Little.
It is about the mama alone.
No, but that's for that area. I come from market, does they tell me say that for us?
Who be that mama there and one kid does for this community?
Yeah, for no be that mama there next year for there. I come from market, does they tell me say my money there for us?
Where they go? Waka fast. You confirm I say that and one kid does for us.
Oh, left for you again. I come from market, does they tell me say that for us?
Where they go? As a man. Every day.
Eh, yeah, for now they have to be. Say, don't you come, every.
Come on, say.
You want me to come and say, everything good for yourself.
Everything not good. Carry this guy one kid does before park your motor. I don't call you the shanty.
Yeah, father, wait, I will come. answer, man. Why are you smarting?
1 20 11 9.
I don't say you 200k.
You think it's a joke?
This drink not for you. Use that day.
Like farmer, the fish or susha.
Use the drink today. Are you from Lambia with the talk and how they do so now?
What you talk again?
I think get them and what those was now.
Money on the road and a few years away again.
Well, for every father.
You get wine.
I don't be able to
Innocent area father.
play for you.
Who go help you, no go stress you.
See the happen for here. Sapa. Sapa won't kill this one.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Hey babe, how you doing?
Babe, I'm not fine. The picture I posted since yesterday has only 10 likes. Jessica said this because my nails are not fine.
Jessica said what? Babe, don't mind her. Your nails are beautiful.
Thank you, babe.
I go love her.
How about you? How you doing?
Oh me?
And the sofa.
Woman, no.
Anxiety.
I'm fine.
How's work?
Work. Work is fine.
This evening you will die.
Babe, what about the 100k you promised to give me so I used to make my hair?
Y habrá tiro libre para abrir el partido. Roja para Rojo.
Don't worry, babe. I'm expecting something later.
Okay, babe, I have to go now. I love you.
I love you too.
Continuation. Reality of life. Reality of life. Guys, they suffer, but women know they understand. Once they want something, they will just call you. They don't know what you are going through. They don't know how you try to get those things.
Hey, baby. What's up?
Baby, would you still love me if I was a spoon?
I'm gonna come down now. Not busy picking.
Yes, baby.
If she was a spoon, can you imagine?
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
Even if you want to follow fire this time.
Not be juju be that.
What's it with that?
So this boy they make money through this thing. Since 3 days this boy they collect money. Wow, nice plan.
Alright, go start your own.
God, make I do there and make small money small.
What did you talk just now?
Who took that thing? Who took that thing?
What did you talk just now?
You didn't hear me?
What are they hear you?
I want make more money. I want make money.
Now my only spot be this. You better change your location.
Change the location. The way.
He shot you.
Change the location. What
do we hear of this?
Change your location.
You got deaf.
Go change location, Oga.
This is what you want to use your life for. I'm gonna do many Tiagasa? The Tiagasa? Infected?
You want spoil market for them?
Oga, I know they hear.
Yeah!
So you dey hear. You even the talk self.
You see him?
Run.
Don't be frosh with this. Don't be frosh. Wait this up.
I beg.
I'm gonna go watch my video for YouTube. I beg. I post finding the perfect girlfriend episode once. It's Saturday. They never watch them. I beg. See now roll like they roll like this. I beg. I beg. No, I go watch my video. I beg.
Okay, calm down. Oh yeah, how we go take on watch her now?
Just click on the link in my bio. Both my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere. Just click on the link. It will carry to the video. I use God beg una. See, if you don't watch this video, I don't go stop to the roll.
We go watch her.
Just the road they go. Everybody want the cash out. So he's begging you guys to go and watch his video on YouTube. You know him, Funny Frosh. Go check out his channel on YouTube and watch it. So you understand? You get it. I believe you guys really like this video because I enjoyed it myself. What's your favorite part of the video? What is your favorite part of the video? I think for me, every one of the episode is actually okay. But there's something I want to say about that Sapa guy, Divine. That is actually the reality of life, to be honest with you. You know, most people in a relationship don't understand. It's not everybody, just a good number of them. Some girls, some women, they don't understand that people go through a lot. You understand? They don't understand that, especially all these Gen Z. They don't understand. Say, guys, they go through a lot. You just want something, you tell him. You don't even check his mental health. You don't understand what he's going through, if he's struggling and all that. So, for me, women should be kind of considerate. And then at the same time, for guys, I want to tell you, see, stop being a simp. If you don't have, tell her you don't have. No, they try kill yourself. No kill yourself. You know get, you say you know get. As long as say you the hustle. As long as say you the hustle, you try your best. Hey babe, I need okay, I need 10k. Okay, I don't have 10k now. Yeah, take 2k, take 3k. You know? No, try kill yourself. They do like say you be hard man. No more, if you break down, you go find another person. So stop being a simp. That is just my advice to guys. Guys, make sure to check out my other videos. Just like Funny Frosh, lie down the beguna. Me too, at the beguna. Check out my other videos. Make sure to be a part of this channel by subscribing. Share this video and see you in my next video. Peace and love.